If you want to invest smartly, you need to read a company's financial statements. Today we will simplify the three big ones with the real world examples. In that, first one is profit and loss statement. The P&L statement shows how much a company earned or lost over a specific period. It starts with the revenue, subtract the expenses, and what's left is a net profit. For example, if Apple makes $100 in a sales and spends $70 on a cost, its net profit is $30. As a growing net profit over a time signals a healthy business. And the second one is balance sheet. The balance sheet shows what the company owns and owes at a specific date. The asset are resources like a cash, property or inventory. Liabilities are debts and the obligations. Equity is the owner's share after paying a debt. For example, if a company has a $200 in assets and $120 in liabilities and the equity is $80. A strong balance sheet usually has more assets than a debt. Third one is cash flow statement. The cash flow statement tracks actually money movement, not just a paper profit. It has three parts. First one is operating cash flow, money from core business activities, and the second one is investing cash flow, money spent or earned from the investment like buying equipment. And the third one is financing cash flow, money raised from the debt or shareholders. If operating cost is consistently positive, the company is generating real cash, not just accounting profit. And the fourth one is how they work together. Together, these three statements give you the full picture. P&L shows the performance, balance sheet shows the financial strength, cash flow shows the real liquidity. Before you invest, review all these three statements. Numbers don't lie. They always tell you whether the company is truly worth your money.